Hi, I'm Rachel Chamness at soundwavesheal.com, and today I will be talking about the Solfeggio tone 396 Hertz, which helps calm anxiety. And this video is for adults or children, and this will include a healing with this solfeggio tone at the end. So this is part of my series of healing with solfeggio tones. This is the third video, number 396. So if you've read my blog about solfeggio tones at soundwavesheal.com/ all of this below, and I'll put it in the comments as well. This tone I think is really important. Nikola Tesla once said, if you only knew the magnificence of the 3, 6, and 9, then you would have a key to the universe. I think he's so right. And I'd love for you to do a deep dive into all of that. But for today, we're just going to use it for what it's supposed to be used for: transforming grief to joy, eliminating fear, releasing blocks that are keeping you from following your dreams, and releasing anxiety. I'll be using liquid Reiki Sound Healing, which is my modality, to help you with anxiety and releasing fear in this video. My liquid Reiki Sound Healing is a mixture of Reiki, of channeling and channeling light beings, and also of sound healing. I was a professional singer, so of course that comes through in my toning and sound healing as well. So here is the 396 tone. I hope that was helpful. Let me know in the comments below if that helped ease your anxiety. And if you have any questions about solfeggio tones, I'd love to see them in the comments, and I'd love to have you go over to my blog post and read more about them. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe. I'm Rachel Chamness at Sound Waves Heal.